Sorry, it's a bit late, but just had news from the US from 5280 Adventures, and I was talking to him. Well, I commented on his video about the chatter with the apex and all that, and I said I think it's got an issue. Anyway, he's just answered me comment, and Garrett, I'll read it out to you. Garrett just came out and said it has the ability to update via its port. I imagine there'll be an update coming very soon. So hopefully the chatter that everyone seems to be experiencing might get sorted. I mean, I've taped, not with sticky tape, with their self-amalgamating tape. I taped my cable to make it nice and tight and all that, see if that would help. Obviously I've only done that before, so I don't know whether it will when I take it out, but that's good news anyway. So there's your update from your charging port on your Apex. So let's hope they bloody hurry up and pull the finger out and sort this chatter out. Okay, sorry for the late hour, but I thought you'd like to hear the news. Alright, take care everyone. See you there for now.